my friends
What's up, guys?
Shark and Leaf Monk. So the herd does a new update. So we're gonna read message of the day, y'all. Alright. The weather is usually cold this time of year, but the forest is heating up. Whoa. And an active volcano has emerged. We can hardly hear the lava bubbling over the eruption of
my Big Mac.
freaking Nico avocado.
Bro,
I'm sorry, Father. The lava's bubbling over the eruption of laughter. Check out the shot, the graph from gear to another heat.
Happy Meal, bro. Bro, you need to bring us to McDonald's, bro. Okay, just let him talk. Okay.
Flash Cosmetics, that was the Carton, never exclusive. VR, let's go. Cosmetics will be in the city for 24 hours staring at September 23rd at 1 p.m. 1 p.m. I told you it wasn't at 8 p.m. It's at 1.
I mean, that's 1 p.m. What the heck is
Leaf.
EDT? What the?
Bro.
EDT, anti-kit.
Let's go check out the cosmetics.
Ew, what is this?
Oh
my god, guys! That's the volcano map! It's the
Oh,
volcano
is it a volcano
so
map?
big.
What's up?
I know,
Shh, I don't want to spoil this.
this is the biggest map. Bro, the parachute! Bro, this looks like something's porn.
Is this an astronaut shoot?
No, it's a lava suit. Bro, we thought it was an astronaut.
Oh, great.
It's $0 a rings.
Oh, how much is that?
Bro, I didn't know. Bro, we just said it's $0, and then he said, "How much is that?"
No, I was talking about the ring. I was talking about the ring. Leaf, I was talking about the heckin' ring. I like this is cool. I guess.
Hey, take this. Hey, take this. Wait, what? Look, it has animated textures.
Ooh.
Bro, Jesus. Oh, I love this umbrella.
Wait,
this looks sick.
Pull up. Dude, what if they still had the marshmallow? Dude, if they still had the marshmallow stick, bro, it would have been perfect.
Wait, I think there's a new pack. Let's see if there's a new pack. See if there's a new pack.
Oh.
DLC pack.
No.
DLC pack.
No.
What the? Why is this still here? Space, Abra,
I know, I saw, bro, I saw. Bro, this ring's kind of mid.
Space,
get the bag. I'm gonna buy this.
These cosmetics are so mid. Bro, you calling this mid? This is awesome. Look.
Oh, bro.
I mean, yeah, that's kind of. That's actually kind of crystals. Is bro actually gonna buy that?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Free. Look
This
at
is gonna be my first
Oh,
slingshot.
Leaf, come here. Leaf, look at under the umbrella.
Oh, see, wait, put me under. Whoa, that's so cool. I already seen that.
That's cool.
What happened to your shirt? I'm probably
Whoa,
gonna
Leaf.
get the slingshot because I've been
Jesus.
saving up some.
Hey, laughing. I was
Everyone
looking
look
at Jesus.
Bro,
I was
I've been saving
playing
up some V-Bucks.
Bro.
Bro, I've been
I need
saving
to cut that off.
I've
I need to freaking cut that
I've
part
been
off.
saving up some Robux, and I think I can get this slingshot. Yeah, he has a bunch of Robux. You guys. I got a bunch of Robux. I think I could get this. This hat is actually on fire. It's actually on fire. Hey, should I go new map?
No pit. No.
Bro, you look so stupid with that thing on.
I look like K9.
You look stupid with that thing on. Bro,
You
look
are
like
stupid.
a potato.
Don't call me stupid. But why do I have this thing on?
Bro, you look like a freaking potato.
You are a potato.
Wait, what the? No. Why is bro getting mad at his fans? We're his fans, right? Yeah, we're his fans. You're not even subscribed. What?
Ooh. I'm gonna eat you for breakfast. I'm gonna eat that.
I think Leaf Monkey's better than Space GT.
Of course he is, bro. Of course he is. He's been playing this a lot more than me, bro. Understand that. But why is this 5,000?
What's 5,000?
The slingshot.
Honestly, I really want to get that. I've been saving up some Robux.
Robux.
What the? Hey, he wants lava. Who wants to drink lava? I want to drink some lava. This is.
I'm on fire, bro. I'm freaking on fire.
Yo, bro, I'm ready to go see the new update.
Hold up.
Space. Space, you want to drink some hot coffee? You guys, I will wait for you inside Stump. Oh my god, hot coffee? With the giant volcano. I saw something big.
Let me check it.
But how do you even
Hold
get
up.
up to there if it's in tutorial?
Bro, be quiet, bro.
No,
Don't spoil it.
I got in there once. Yeah, I could show you how to get up there.
Oh, look.
Right. What?
Look, if you eat the pepper.
I already know. I don't know, hit my headset.
Come on, eat it.
Get up there. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go.
Look, I turned into a rock monkey for a mount.
Let's go see the new map.
I'm not done yet.
Yeah, not to get up there. I saw on YouTube. Wait, let's wait for him. I saw on YouTube there's a tunnel that launches you up into the lava. What? Yeah. No way. Bro, I thought that said forest lava. That says forest lava. What the?
Alright, let's go check it out.
Floors and lava and forest too.
Forest lava.
Hey, get over here, Johnny. I'm gonna tag him.
No.
Wait for him.
Who? Oh.
No, it's a small map. Look, I'm gonna show you how to get up there.
Yo, but.
Is that a mini volcano?
Ooh.
What the?
I'm gonna put Doug in there. I'm a tortured Doug.
What is this?
Nope. Yo, Doug.
Look,
Die, Doug.
Oh, there's rocks. I predicted it. I was talking about it at school. Guys, it's turning red. Put it in.
What's happening? What? Whoa. No, don't do that. Why'd you do that? What's happening? Ooh, no. Come here, Doug. I made it up. It's the floor's lava.
I turned into a lava monkey.
Really?
Yeah, turn into one. Look, man, I see that brick monkey. The leaf monkey and brick monkey.
Y'all, I'm up here, y'all. Go by, Doug.
Robert.
I'm not turning.
Dare you to jump in. Yes, Space,
all right.
Dare you jump in.
Oh. Come here, Doug.
Bro, how's Doug the bug alive? This map is the only way to escape. Bro, what the? Guys, I'm orange.
Whoa, why is it? Look. No, dude, I'm like shiny. You turn like shiny.
Go to beach map.
Is it? Oh, it is.
Why am I orange?
Come here, Leggies.
Erupting the volcano was a bad idea. Bro, you guys go to beach. Look at this. I'm pink. I'm orange.
Oh.
Why is the water pink? Yeah, I thought. No, and if you jump in the water, what? This doesn't make sense.
Oh.
And now why am I blue? Oh yeah. What is you look like me now.
Oh.
Bro, you're telling me you can just change your color? You can be green to orange to blue? Or pink, because I was pink. What else can you do?
I'm normal right here. You turn back to normal up there. Wait, guys, look.
This is it for the update.
Wait, no, stay there. Look. Believe, come back here. Look, he looks like he has RTX on. Look, if you go on.
What's the RTX?
Look at this.
It's like, you're a brick monkey. You don't have it.
Oh, what about in caves? Oh, because I'm rock monkey.
Yo, guys, let's go to caves. Last one to caves is a stinky.
Last one in the case is an uneaten potato. Oh, is this still lava? No!
Hey, boy, tag me!
Bo!
Oh, why does the water look like that? Why does the water look like that?
Wait, dude! The water's going upwards. Look.
Bro, this is
It's going
so
upwards.
bugged. This is the most bugged update in the world.
Bro, why is it so broken?
Bro, ropes, the noises don't even work.
What the heck? Yeah, they do.
Bro, what is up with this update?
But this update's so weird.
Alright, should we end the video?
Wait, do I have
there?
RTX on? Does it look like I have RTX?
No.
Well, let's go to the rainbow things. Maybe it'll work better.
You guys, should we end the video? End the video. It's Matt. What's happening in your home? His name is Battery Acid, bro.
Yeah, for reals.
Matt, bro.
Bro, can I climb up this?
Are you on Battery Acid side?
Yo, I'm gonna end the video here, bro. This was a good update, but like it was cool at the lava thing, but